I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts. Try again later. On the application of REDnote, we click on Settings. In this page, we click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. On above here, you will search about REDnote and you will click. Then in this page of App Info, you will click on First Stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on Clear Cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.